Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Real Life Aaron. This is Real Life. I am Aaron. And the heat is finally starting to get to me. I feel a little bit, not dodgy, but I just don't feel quite right as such. Like, I haven't had a bad tummy or anything like that, so it doesn't matter, but it's just like I feel constantly dehydrated. But it's okay, I'm sure I'll be fine. I'll soldier on. We're going to Lavina tonight, or Lavino, I can't remember what it's called. So there's quite a bit of travelling, but we're going to a temple beforehand, and then we're going to a waterfall, just to break up the journey. And then we're going to end up in a villa to ourselves tonight, so that's going to be cool. We've only been in this hotel for one night. A little bit annoying because it's constantly like, unpack your bag, pack your bag, unpack your bag, pack your bag. But yeah, it's been nice here. Quite enjoyed it. And yeah, let's head to the temple.
A little bit to make sure our stomach chakra get a prosperity. Because the goals of prosperity is to swallow, to make sure you stomach full. And then the center point of energy is in the stomach.
I'm melting.
100 hectare or 25,000 acres. Total the area here.
It's rice.
Within 450 feet. So this is the private land, individual land, I mean. So some of them approximately they own around 45 acres.
Pick them one by one.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, the farmers. So here's to get a clean rice. To get a clean rice, I mean, we don't pick that one by our fingers. To get clean rice, probably we're picking by hands. Probably in 2 years to get 1 kilogram rice. We're still using traditional tools. We insert the dry rice into the wooden mortar. We crush it using a wooden stick, and we clean it by the time we save. Only 2 hours to get 1 kilogram rice.
No, sorry, work to live, don't live for.
Good advice, bro.
This is my song.
Okay, so the rice paddies were really, really awesome, but now we've come to a waterfall, so we're going to check this waterfall out. I don't know if we can go in, because apparently it's been raining, so it's a little bit dirty, and apparently it might be quite powerful and unsafe, but we're going to go check it out, and I'll show you in a minute. Oh yeah, and then we're going to try some coffee, which apparently has come from like some sort of animal poo.
On this. Right. If you step on the tops of those rocks, it's very slippery. So try and stick to like the muddy floor so you don't end up stacking it. Keep your flip-flops and shoes on because when you get in, it's all rocks. Get that all out, and then you get to some white stuff, which is in here, or slash half brown, I suppose. Basically, the white stuff is what you eat, and it's that one's not the best example, is it? I'll have a go. I don't listen.
That's good. Okay, we've just arrived. We've just arrived in Lavina. We've come to this awesome villa. It's like we're basically all in together, and it's got its own pool, infinity pool, swim up bar, bean bags. Like it's such a nice place. I'll show you around. Here's the rooms. We got bunk beds. I'm over in the top bunk, of course. This is like the entrance, like the front, but I don't think we're gonna be out here much. And I'll show you the bathroom because the bathroom's sick. Look at this. Got the sinks, bathroom with the bath, got the toilet over here, and then look at the shower. It's so cool. So cool. We've come for food for breakfast at this beautiful restaurant on the beach. We're going out in one of those boats to go and do some dolphin spotting. Boom.
the children. Imagine just being a dog here. Look at it.
As a child, you can use a swing to, I don't know, just jump around here.
It's good. I get the hiccups on
Is
these.
this going to give me
Do I have to
No.
chew it?
No. If not, we'll find some chewing wrap to chew.
Can I eat it like a pill?
Guys, I'm gonna get the hiccups and probably burp. So.
Wait, how much of it do you eat?
The whole, just up to the green. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Chili challenge, bro.
Mum.
Oh, they got the strong ones. Wait, the small ones are always the spiciest, right?
Do you use some water?
Hottest.
Guys, can
I ate 5 of them on my trial.
It wasn't that bad. It was actually
Yeah,
right.
you had
You
a
got a
good
good
one.
one.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I'm gonna out.
Good for the teeth.
Actually, I've heard this because of this.
Apparently.
Okay, let's do face artwork. Close your eyes. This is fun. I love doing this.
It smells good.
And it smells great.
We're going to let him on.
Yep. Now let's get it. Look at that moustache looking good, yeah?
Now you got a beard like the little Ross.
This is the kind of photo that'll ruin your life and take you
Welcome to the
to
club.
a politician when this comes out.
What's that?
Looking good, bro.
Around 24 hours just to prepare to make a basket. But Putu's that good that she can finish a basket in around 10 minutes. It will take you guys around an hour to do one line. So she is extremely very fast. These are super thin. You'd need around 150 of these thin strips to make one basket. It's pretty insane. The guys will come around and help you as we're going to be trying to cut to this thin. If you're really, really good, we do have a warehouse down the bottom of the garden where you can earn $1 a day.
So today was super sick, super awesome. We went to see the dolphins, which was so good. We went in the water, but we didn't swim with them. I think they were a little bit scared of us. They were obviously wild ones. And then we went to this family's house where they just grow like spices, fruits, rice. Like they just grow loads of different fruits and all sorts of stuff. And they've got a massive garden, which you saw, and they grow the coffee beans and they just grow everything. Such a nice family, and it was nice to see how they lived and they spend their life living in Bali, which was interesting to watch. So yeah, that was quite a good experience. And now we're just gonna go for food. We're so bloody hot. I'm roasting, literally sweating. Come out of an air-conditioned room for about 5 minutes, and you're just basically dripping sweat. But yeah, time to go for dinner.
Who are you? Fucking ball. Pop it a tire.
Yes.
Volleyball.
Yes.
Crying. Art. Drawing a face. Portrait. Smile. Mine. Fucking. Makeup. Eyeliner. Mascara. Doing your makeup. Doing your.
Yes, well I must say that. It's mighty fun night tonight. We're in the pool, just hanging out and get some cool whip.
Cool whip. Say cool.
Say cool.
Say whip. Say cool whip.
Cool whip.
Cool whip.
Cool whip.
Our time in this villa is now done. We are on our way to Gili. Long travelling day today. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I've got my Bali wicker basket that won't fit in my bag. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. If you did enjoy this vlog, please go down, leave a thumbs up, and remember, dream big and work hard.